Now, for the second real step of the method, we want to build an entire layer. In this case, I have the white cross-made and this one, the green cross-made. If you look, this piece might seem soft because it has white. But if you look at the other two colors, they aren't matching. So this piece is in the wrong position. Here in the top, you look for white corners. For example, this one. Then we need to place it in between the other two colors of its center. So here's the red and the green. Now we will do that 4 moves that I talked about earlier. Here I made it once and solved. As you can see, all the colors are matching. Now for this one, it has orange and green. Orange and green and white. Just do the 4 moves. Again and again. Solved. Now this one. Red, blue, white. Do the 4 moves. And it's solved. Now for this last one, it's already in the bottom. So we do the 4 moves to take it out. Now just repeat. And now we have an entire layer. As you can see, it's all white down and every edge and corner is correct relative to the centers. Now for this. Green, white, red. Green, white, red. Give. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. Solved. Here, it's in the wrong position, so do the 4 moves. Put in the right position, white, orange, green, and do the 4 moves. For this last one, it's flipped as well. And solved. Here, an entire layer.